back from the other side. Today we are going to get my bike from the service center. Let's go. And obviously we took an auto to reach the service center, you know. That's a Scooty right there. Long time no see. Oh, she's a bit dirty and dusty. Now it's time for cleaning my scooty. Why do I look so serious? I'm just cleaning my scooty. Why is everyone looking so serious? I remember it was so hot that day. It was so hot. Yeah. We finished. So, what exactly happened to my bike? And what exactly the serviceman told and what he exactly did. Now I'm going to share this with you. First thing, he almost took 1.5 weeks to make a bike ready. But it was very, very worth of it, you know. The time. The second most thing is, you guys know that we had an engine seize in our scooty. So it was confirmed by him. So after 2 days, he started the work. He repaired the whole engine and cleaned the whole engine inch by inch without leaving any spot. Yes, he did. And the third thing is, he changed the oil. Now the fourth thing is, he gave us some instructions. Well, first thing, he told to change out the bike oil for every 1,000 kilometers. And the second most thing is the most crucial part of this. He told us to maintain 30 kilometers per hour. And how is that possible in India road? Well, we did. We maintained that speed for almost over a week. 1 week, 2 weeks. Yes, exactly. We maintained over 2 weeks. 30 kilometers in India. So, the last thing is, when we drove a bike on the road, it just felt like we are driving on a new bike. It was damn smooth. It was so smooth. Yeah. We never felt a bike like before. And after that, we made our way to sweet home, sweet home, sweet home. That's it. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.